इन ए 2-man टेंट। एक हमारे गुरुजी है, बोला था पैंचो कुछ नहीं होगा, और हम घुस गए 7 people in a tent, huh?
So nice, man.
चार पागल लोग मिलके क्या करते हैं? मिलके पहाड़ चढ़ते हैं बेंच। Look at this. This is India and Bangladesh on a trip together. What a surprise. चलो चलो let's go. Thomas, how are you feeling, Omar?
It's so nice, man.
So we are here in a 2-man tent. एक हमारे गुरुजी है, बोला था पैंचो कुछ नहीं होगा, और हम घुस गए 7 people in a tent, huh? And myself. We are starting the summit of Mount Kanamo.
When the night begins to fall, when you hear the siren call,
And that is snow-covered Kanamo. Two climbers from Bangladesh and two climbers from India. बाकी का लोग भाग गए बेंच। So this is Kanamo. We're gonna go up like that and climb. It's almost a 6,000 meter peak. And look at this, the other side of it. Hi. You always have to climb to the top of the peak to get the best view. So this is Abhi. It's his first time.
Yes, sir.
We have some experienced climbers from Bangladesh and myself. Somebody knows a little bit about mountains. Wow, we're gonna be up on this peak.
when shadows fill the sky, you know it's time to rise.
This is snowfall happened last night when we were sleeping in a base camp in a freezing cold without sleeping bags. And suddenly the cloud hit, all white cloud. I can hardly see my partners, but हम होंगे कामयाब. Fazil, we'll take a break here or go up? No, he's coming. No, तो थोड़ा slow होते हैं. Fazil coming. There's one more guy, Abhi, third guy, and the fourth guy is there. Wow. 2 Indians, 2 Bangladeshis climbing Kanamo together. It will be written in the history, man. हाँ, दोनों के नेशनल एंथम रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखा है. What a coincidence! What a coincidence! ऐसे चलते हैं. I'm just waiting. ये वाला रास्ता है, इसके ऊपर. यहाँ the first one here, no? इसके ऊपर ऐसे. It's a white out. It's so hard to navigate, man. Hard to navigate. And right now I am navigating. So everybody depends on me. I don't want anybody to depend on me. But here I can't help.
There's a hero in you. A hero. There's a hero.
We are going to climb like this, tan, and we're not going to do it now because it's so cloudy. It'll be very cold, so we'll wait for the cloud to pass and then climb it. But wow, look at this. Karma has been always blessing to me. Anytime I failed to climb any mountain, Kanamo, I could climb successfully. Hands are freezing, but we're taking a walk because we want the clouds to cross. फिर हम जाएंगे ऊपर. That's gonna take at least 2 hours to climb. We've already climbed 4 hours and 7 hours yesterday. It's all about hours. Fuck, hands are freezing. I can hardly press the GoPro button. I could hardly open a zip to pee sometime while we were climbing up. So this peak has been a blessing. She has blessed me always, because whenever I failed climbing a peak, I've come to her and she gave me all the confidence I need to climb the peaks again. Wow. Ta-da, ta-da, look at this. There is Kaza. You can't see it. That is our base camp below that peak. And this is me. 4 पागल लोग मिलके क्या करते हैं? Yes. मिलके पहाड़ चढ़ते हैं बेंच. एक नंबर. It's complete whiteout. On the peaks with glaciers, this is very dangerous. But on a trek peak, it's a semi-dangerous. So let's see how far can we go. Pull ourselves. My toes are freezing, my hands are freezing. I'm doing this. So we are at the summit, west summit of Kanamo. 11:45. Crazy awesome. Wow, this is the top, 6005 meters, and I wish we would have come here in a clear day and show you guys. Wow, this is the glacier here, this is all the valley, and this is me. Wow, 20,000 feet. This is India and Bangladesh on a peak together. What a surprise. Chalo. 6,000 meters, man. Not easy. 5 घंटे गाड़ पड़ी. This is nice. and it's 12:36. Heading back, almost an hour at this point. Freezing cold, and descending is more dangerous, especially for me with my ankle injuries and things. But yeah, woohoo!